Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to do a full factory reset on the Fitbit Charge 2. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so you've got the Fitbit Charge 2 and you're planning on either getting rid of it, upgrading, whatever. Maybe you decided to go for a Fitbit Charge 3 as a early Christmas present or something like that. So you want to remove this device from your account and allow someone else to set it up on their phone or their device. So there's three things you're going to need to do this. One of which is the Charge 2 itself. Secondly is the device it's actually set up on, i.e. your mobile phone. And preferably a laptop or computer that you can gain access to the internet. Now you can do it from the same device that the app is on, but for this instance I'm going to use a separate device just to keep things a little bit more simple. Okay, so to start with, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the device is on and charged. That goes for both devices. Then you want to go over to your Android or iOS device and open up the Fitbit app and make sure that you're logged into the account. Now on the other device or on a website, go to www.fitbit.com and log into your Fitbit account. And on your devices list in your Fitbit account, go to the Charge 2 or the device that you want to remove from your account and scroll to the very bottom, past all the settings, and at the very bottom it says remove the Charge 2 from your account. So click on remove Charge 2 from your account and you're asked if you want to remove it for sure, if you want to sync any data, etc, etc, but we're going to go ahead and remove it. So that is the device removed from your account. Now what you want to do is do a force sync on your app. So the easiest way to do that is to just pull the app down to make it try and resync. Your app may be slightly different, but just basically initiate a full sync. So this is now going to go through and try and sync the devices. Now because we've set a flag in the app to remove the device from the account, when it tries to synchronize, it's also going to send a signal to the Fitbit to remove it from the account. And hopefully, fingers crossed, if we go to the display, we should now get the logo saying www.fitbit.com/setup. So there we go, that is the device fully removed from the account and ready for a new user to set it up. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe for more Fitbit and other tech information. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.